Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
And my screen is visible?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Are you all fine?
Yes, sir, and you?
I am also fine. Have you completed the remaining questions?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any problem in any question?
No, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, we were in chapter of area and some questions from first exercise, that means it was completed, and we started second exercise of the area, that exercise 5.2. We did this question yesterday, but this is related to question number 3, and we started question number 3. So let's look at this question once again. The inner length, breadth and height of hall are 50 meter, 45 meter and 4 meter respectively. There are 5 windows of 2.5 meter into 2 meter and 2 doors of 2 meter into 3 meter. Find the area, floor and ceiling of the hall. So this is our first question from question number 3. Question number 3A. So to do this question, at first we have to write these length, breadth and height, and area, floor and ceiling means area floor is L into B, area of ceiling is also L into B. So by adding both, we will get area, floor and ceiling 2 times L into B. So first write the given things. Given things are length is 50 meter, breadth is 45, height is 4 meter, and area, floor and ceiling is equal to what, that we have to find out, and we know the formula. Area of floor and ceiling is equal to 2 times L into B. It is 2 times 50 into 45. So after multiplying these three values, we will get the answer 4500 meter square. About this one we discussed yesterday also. Just this is the repetition, because we have to solve other questions of question number 3 also. Is this clear?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's move to question number B. This part is same. The inner length, breadth, height as well as windows and doors are given. And second question is, find the area of 4 walls without door and windows. To find out the area of 4 walls without door and windows, at first we have to calculate the area of 4 walls by using the formula 2h times L plus B. And after calculating area of 4 walls, subtract the area of windows and door from that area. त्यो एरियाबाट यो दुईटा भ्यालुहरु माइनस गर्नुपर्ने हो. So for it, at first write all given things. Length, breadth and height are 50, 45 and 4 meters. Length, breadth and height are given to us. Now our formula for area of 4 wall is 2h times L plus B. I have written A1 for area of floor and ceiling. Because of that reason, here is A2. 2h times L plus B. 2 into h is 4, L is 50, B is 45. Just calculate it. 2 into 4, it is 8.
760.
760 meters square. This is the area of 4 walls of the room, which is given to us. Now next thing asked to us is area of 5 windows of dimension 2.5 meter and 2 meter. That is also given in question. Questionमा 5 वटा विन्डोहरु छन्. त्यसैगरी 2 doors of 2 meter into 3 meter are also given. So to find out the area of 4 walls without door and windows, we have to subtract these For subtracting purpose, at first calculate the area of 5 windows and then calculate the area of 2 doors and subtract them from area of the 4 walls. Area of 5 windows is, this 5 is taken here because we have to calculate the area of 5 windows. 5 windows को area निकाल्नु पर्ने हुनाले यहाँनिर यो 5 use भएको हो. Okay, because there are 5 windows. And dimensions of the windows means these are the length and breadth of the windows. If length and breadth are given, area of the window is L into B, 2.5 into 2. If it is multiplied by 5, we will get the area of 5 windows. So multiply these all, 5 into 2.5 into 2, it gives
25.
us 25 meter square. Now, area of 2 doors of dimension 2 meter into 3 meter means length of the door is 3 meter, breadth of the door is 2 meter. So it is also subtracted from the total area, and to calculate its area, 3 to the 6 is multiplied by 2. 2 into 2 into 3. This 2 is taken here because this is the area of 2 doors. Area of 1 door is 2 into 3 only. Area of 2 doors is 2 into 2 into 3. So its value is 12 meter square. Now add these both values, that means area of windows and doors 25 plus 12, it is equal to 37 meter square. Now subtract this area from the area of 4 walls. A2 is the area of 4 walls, 760, and area of windows and door, it is 37 meter square. By subtracting it, what value you will get? Calculate it.
723, sir.
723 meter square. Okay, good. And this is the final solution for question number B. Do you have any confusion in it? From the first?
No, sir.
Yesterday, Abhay was asking for video, but because of some works, I was unable to upload the video. After uploading, I will send it to you. Okay. So up to that, just do your homeworks from both exercise. Complete remaining questions. I will send the video afterward. I'm recording, but because of this busy schedule, I am unable to upload that. Okay, if there is no confusion in it, let's move to next question. Question number C. 4 carvings are made in each square meter in the ceiling. How many carvings altogether will be there? Find it. Do you know meaning of these carvings? The special type of any type of design, handmade designs or any other designs. It is said that 4 carvings are made in each square meter. 1 square meter ma 4 वटा डिजाइनहरु बनाउन सकिन्छ सिलिङ मा. How many carvings altogether will be there? So what do you think? What we have to do in it at first? It is said that 4 carvings are made in each square meter in the ceiling. Ceiling को हरेक स्क्वायर मिटर में 4 वटा डिजाइनहरु 4 वटा कार्विङहरु बनाउन सकिन्छ. So to calculate how many carvings altogether will be there, what we have to calculate at first?
So that total area.
No. Any other? What is written here? Where carvings are made?
Ceiling, sir.
Ceiling. So we have to calculate the area of ceiling only. And after calculating the area of ceiling, we will get the area of ceiling on meter square, and it is clearly written that 4 carvings can be made, or 4 carvings are made in each square meter. We have to multiply that area by 4 because 1 meter square contains 4 carvings. So for its solution, at first Write the length and breadth only, because for ceiling we need length and breadth only. Area of ceiling is L into B, 50 into 45. Multiply it. What is its area?
2250.
2200
Yes, sir. 2200.
1250 meter square. Now carvings per meter square per square meter is 4. So number of carvings on ceiling is equal to 2250 into 4. It is equal to
9000, sir.
9000 carvings. So we can make 9000 carvings on the ceiling. बुट्टाहरू भनेको बुट्टाहरू डिजाइनहरू त्यो बनाउन सकिन्छ सिलिङमा. Because in 1 meter square we can make 4 carvings. Total number of carvings on ceiling will be 9000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's move to D number. How many tiles or stone will be required to pave the floor if 8 tiles or stones are paved in each square meter of the floor? So what we have to calculate at first here? Did you understand the question? Floor ma tiles अथवा स्टोनहरू बिछाउनु पर्ने छ. In 1 square meter we can put 8 tiles or we can pave 8 tiles or stones. How many tiles or stones will be required there for whole floor?
8.
So area of floor must be calculated at first. Area of floor calculate garnu paryo. After calculating area of floor, it is multiplied by 8, because in each square meter we can pave 8 tiles or stones. So it is also simple question as like question number C. First length and breadth are given to us. Area of floor is also same as ceiling. Ceiling and floor are identical in room, except the exceptional cases. कहीँनिर ceiling फरक र floor ceiling नबनाएको भए त्यो बाहेक ceiling र floor को area equal हुन्छ. So length and breadth are given to us. Multiply these two to get the area of floor, that is 2250 meter square. So tiles per square meter are 8. So total number of tiles or stones required is 2250 into 8. Now multiply it.
18,000, sir.
18,000. Okay. Its final answer is 18,000. 18,000 stone or tiles are required to pave on the floor. So now look at question number E. How much amount will be required to plaster on 4 walls at the rate of rupees 350 per square meter? Find it. So for this one, what is needed? How much amount will be required to plaster on 4 wall? 4 wall ma plaster garnu parne cha. And rate of plaster. Yes, we have to find out the area of floor. And in previous question, that means I think in question number B, we calculated the area of 4 walls. We calculated the area of 4 walls in previous question. Just check it. Check this one. Area of 4 wall 760. And we subtracted area of windows and door. त्यहाँ पनि area of 4 wall excluding door and windows नै calculate गर्नु पर्ने हो in question number E also, because we have to plaster on wall only, not on door and windows. Door र windows मा plastering गरिन्छ त while making the room. So should we have to plaster on these windows and door also?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, that means in question number E, we have to use the area of 4 walls excluding door and windows. Okay. So area of 4 walls excluding door and windows is 723 meter square. We have to use same thing. Area of 4 walls excluding door and windows, and it is equal to 700, just tell the value, 723 meter square. And rate of plastering is rupees 315 per square meter. Now here also, while using the formula, cost of plastering is equal to area into rate, 723 into 315. Multiply these two values and tell the answer to me.
2,27,745.
2,27,755.
2,27,755. 45.
45. Is this right? Others also multiply this. And
Yes, sir. It is right, sir.
so this is the required answer for question number E of question number 3. Okay. Maybe today's recording also you will get late, so you may take a screenshot if necessary, if needed. If you need it,
sir.
yes, please.
C and D. I haven't screenshot because of line cutoff. Can you?
C.
C and D.
Okay. Take it. I repeated it.
Taken. D, sir.
Done. Question number
Yes,
D.
sir. Done, sir.
Okay. E.
E done, sir.
Okay. So let's move to next question. Question number 5. If square-shaped tops having 30 centimeter in length are placed on 18 meter into 9 meter size volleyball court, then find out the first thing, how many tops will be required in total. Second thing, if the cost of one top is rupees 225, then what will be the total cost for topping the court? So two things we have to calculate. At first, how many tops will be required? Secondly, cost of one top is given. If we get the number of tops from question number A, we can multiply it with rupees 225 to get the total cost. If you don't know meaning of top, it is written here. दुबो बाट बनेको वा ग्रास बाट बनेको म्याटहरु हुन्छ त्यो टाइपको material भनेको है. That is placed on the volleyball court whose size is 18 meter into 9 meter. That means length of volleyball court here is 18 meter and the breadth of volleyball court given in question is 9 meter. By multiplying these two, we will get the area of volleyball court, and after that we have to calculate the area of each top also. Each top, that is square tops are there whose length is 30 centimeter. You know the area of square is L square. Similarly, it is given in centimeter, so don't forget to convert it into meter, because other values, that means length and breadth of the volleyball courts, are given in meter. We should convert this length of top also into meter. Unit must be same. So after converting this centimeter into meter, find out the area of top, find out the area of volleyball court, and divide the area of volleyball court by area of top to find out the number of tops required, or number of tiles required, or number of stone required to pave on the ground. Always process is total area is divided by the area of each tile or each top or each stone. So that is the process. At first, in its solution, write the length and breadth of the volleyball court. Those are 18 meter into 9 meter, and multiply these to get area. 18 into 9, what will be its value? You know the table? I don't know. 162 meter square. Now length of square top, it is 30 centimeter. If it is divided by 100, if this one is divided by 100, we will get the 0.3 meter. Now both units are same. Length for volleyball court, breadth for volleyball court, and length of square top. All units are same now. Find out the area of this square top. Area of square top is 0.3 square, that is L square. After squaring it, it becomes 0.09 meters square. Now, number of tops needed, we have to calculate at first and then the cost. Tops needed is equal to N is equal to capital A by small a. Capital A, that means area of court is 162 and area of each top is 0.09. Divided
1800.
18,000.
Yes, sir.
18,000. Be clear?
1800, sir.
Okay.
1800.
1800 tops are needed. And I took this question because in other questions to find out the total cost, we were multiplying area by the rate, isn't it? In previous question, from previous exercise to this exercise, while calculating the total cost, we were multiplying area by rate because cost is equal to area into rate. In previous question also we did same thing. In this one, cost is equal to area into rate. But this question is a bit different because the cost of one turf is given. That means rate is given in terms of the one turf. So to find out the total cost, we have to multiply the number of tops by the rate. Because of that, this is the different than others. Rate of top is rupees 225 per top. So the cost of turfing is equal to N into R. This formula is the different than other formula. So sometimes in case of number of tops as well as the rate is given as cost of one top or one tile or one stone, this is the formula to calculate the total cost. Total cost is equal to N into R. Multiply these two, 1800 into 225, and what value you will get?
4,05,000.
4,05,000.
5,000.
Okay, this is our required answer. Do anyone have any confusion in it?
No, sir.
Okay, so this much slides I have made for you, and let us discuss on other questions also. Are you observing new window?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your book. What is page number for area?
Exercise 5.2, 61 page number.
Okay. We did these questions. One number is already completed
Yes, sir.
and two number is remaining. Area of four walls of room is 450. If the length and breadth of room are 15 meter and 12 meter respectively, find its height. So which formula we will use here? Can you say?
2HL plus B.
2h times L plus B we will use here. And which values are given to us? Area, length and breadth are given. Area, length and breadth are given. We have to calculate this height. So to calculate this height, put all given values, area, length and breadth, and after simplifying it, after adding L into B, multiply it with 2 and take it to left side and divide it, you will get the required answer. And after this, which question we did? Question number 3. Question number 3 is completed.
Yes, sir.
3 whole questions we did, all questions. And next one is 4 number because 5 also we did. There is the door of dimension 2.5 meter into 1.5 meter and 2 windows of dimension 1 meter into 1.5 meter in room having length 7 meter and breadth 5 meter. If the total cost of painting on the 4 walls at the rate of 7.50 per square meter is rupees 495, find the height of room. So what you understand after reading the question? How many doors are there in a room?
One,
One.
A door.
How many windows are there?
two,
2,
2. And length as well as breadth of room are 7 meter and
And
5
5.
meter. Length र breadth पनि दिएको छ room को. Total cost is given. Painting on the 4 walls, not on door and windows. Door र window मा painting गरेको cost होइन कि. Cost of painting 4 walls is 7.50 at the rate of 7.50 is rupees 495. What is the formula for cost of painting? Cost is equal to area into rate, isn't it?
Sir.
By using it, what you will get? You formula what के आउने हो? Cost as well as rates are given, and we will get the area. Cost is 495 is equal to area into rate is 7.50. So find out the value of area. Divide 495 by 7.5. Divide it fast.
66. 66.
66 square meter.
Yes, sir.
This is the area of 4 walls excluding windows and door. As like in question number 3E, we calculate the cost of plastering on 4 walls excluding door and windows. Door र window exclude गरेर त्यसमा हामीले के निकालेका थियौं? Cost of plastering निकालेका थियौं. त्यसरी नै यहाँ पनि this one is the area of 66 is the area of 4 walls excluding door and windows. Did you get this what I am saying? जो पेन्टिङ को रेट र पेन्टिङ को कस्ट दिएको छ त्यसबाट जुन एरिया आउँछ कस्ट इज इक्वल टु एरिया इन्टु रेट 66 स्क्वायर मिटर. इट इज द एरिया अफ 4 वाल्स एक्सक्लुडिङ डोर एन्ड विन्डोज. डोर र विन्डो बाहेकको एरिया हो. एन्ड टु गेट टोटल एरिया अफ 4 वाल्स, total area of 4 walls, we have to add these two values, door and windows, to this area which excludes door and windows. Door र window बाहेकको area मा door र window को area add गर्नु पर्यो. Total area will be equal to 66 plus areas of door and windows. Area of door is 3, 2 into 1.5. Similarly, area of how many windows are there? 2. 2 into 1 into 1.5. It is also 3. This is the total area with windows and door. Door र window थपेपछि total area यति हुन्छ. And it is equal to add these both values. 72 meters square. Now use the formula for area of 4 walls. This 72 equal to 72 is equal to 2h times L plus B. 2h times L plus B. And L as well as B are given. We have to find out the height. Okay. In this way, complete it. I think time is going to off. So this much for today.
Okay, sir.
This much for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day and complete all remaining questions of exercise